That's a new one. What else have we got? This one came in the last shipment, but I thought I might as well touch it. Because you don't... So this is a Leopard, right? Leopard 2.
Grr.
And the reason I chose this one is because it is 70-second scale. And you don't get a lot of 70-second scale tanks.
Right.
Not really. Like, not as much as 35th. 48's picking up as well. But 72, they're either really shite or they just hit and miss. They just do the big stuff and not really much else. But now we've got brands coming in and they have rotatable parts, open and closed parts like hatches, full detailed on the tracks, all of the modular systems. Yeah, let's have a look. How long you been with her?
What's in the box?
Look at the detail on that.
That's wonderful.
Isn't it?
Why didn't they make it 1:76? Because then it would have been in the model railway scale, and then you'd open up a whole nother market. You should tell them that.
No.
Okay.
It's only like 4 scales off, right?
Yeah, but you can tell.
You can tell.
You can tell.
You can tell. Look at I'm just going to go overhead on this one.
It's very nice.
But you can see the armor. You're a fiend. You're a fucking fiend. Yeah, that is your hand.
Very good.
It's a bit hard to tell here, but you can see all of the armor texture. There you go. Look at that. It's got beautiful armor texture for 70-second scale. It's nicely molded on the underside. Sorry? It's got all those bits.
It's got fans?
It does. Well, it's got more fans as well.
Oh, we've got some etch parts.
Yeah, you got some etched parts. You got decals. You got the towing cables. You should have...
Is this a pretty simple kit?
No, I'd say this is intermediate.
Yeah, okay. What's the hold up on this? Is it mainly in the tracks?
What's the hold up?
I mean, it looks pretty... There's not like a million pieces.
Oh my God, what am I doing? There we go. No, I mean, look, you get it built over that. But yeah, I mean, the hardest part of a tank is the road wheels. They're pretty consuming, and the tracks. But these are Lincoln length tracks, right? So Okay, let me just do this again. So if you look here, right, you've got this big long piece on the bottom, a long piece on the top. You got 3 little pieces over here, and then you got 1 piece there.
So these tracks won't go around.
So altogether, you've got, what is that? No. You've got 3, 4, 8, 10. You got 10 pieces for the tracks. But I'll go, nice. Go all the way around.
Oh no, like these don't move though. It's a full static.
Yeah.
Oh,
how would you want it to move?
I don't know. I'm just
buy the hang long one.
Asking.
Oh, I'm offended.
Stop yelling.
Here you go. Leopard 2A5 experimental camouflage. That's pretty cool.
Which one's your favorite?
I like this one. I like the NATO camouflage.
Ooh.
I've painted one like that, the 2A6 in the Ukrainian colors.
Right.
Yeah. There you go. There's another one. It's more deserty. That's probably how we would paint ours if we ever got them.
Do you reckon we will?
No, we've got Abrams.
Brr.
It's either Abrams or Leopards at this point.
Right.
And we make them ourselves down in Bandiana.
Oh.
Yeah, we make our own tanks. We bought the license to build the Aussie Abrams.
Yeah, right.
Pretty interesting. Yeah, they get made down there with all the Bushmasters and stuff.
I thought they got made in Bendigo, or do they do the tractors or something?
They build them. They build them all over the joint.
Yeah, right.
There's heaps of different places.
We're not just having a good time. We're learning.
We're learning.